I'm Allison Barker, here to bring you some updates from the Environmental Club. Currently, our club has roughly 40 members, and we have had 2 meetings so far. In our last meeting, we broke up into committees. Each committee is divided by different areas of expertise and all have different ways to complete our club goals. The club has made many goals, both long-term and short-term, for this year. If you recall last year, our first World Oceans Day Festival had a very successful turnout, and we do expect this year's festival to be even grander. This year, we are also still collecting inkjet cartridges. Parents, if you work in a place that uses up ink cartridges, or if you have any at home, please bring them up to the school's front office. We are also collecting used cell phones and small electronic devices like calculators through Dade Recycling. The money we get from the recycled inkjet cartridges goes right into our club's funds. The money gets used to organize amazing school events like World Oceans Day and Adopting a Shark. The Environmental Club also hopes to raise a school-wide awareness of environmental issues and promote positive actions to put into our daily lives. This has been Allison Barker, coming to you from the Lantana 2 campus, reporting about our school's Environmental Club. Now here is Allie, reporting on Lantana 2 field trips.
On the Lantana 2 campus, another year of field trips and experimental learning is getting into full swing. Ms. Cook got the year rolling by taking her classes into Peanut Island and later a walk to the Hypoluxo Natural Area. On September 30th, October 1st, and October 2nd, Mr. Allen, Miss Eubanks, and Miss Ford Ferdike took all the 8th graders on their first science field trip to the wonderful Everglades at the Corbett Wildlife Area. At the Corbett area, students learned about various plant communities and ecotones that made up the northern Everglades watershed while taking a 1.3-mile nature walk. During the hike, which turned out to be rather wet with some areas having an excess of 2 feet of surface water, students broke up into groups and collected data such as wind speed, soil samples, and did plant population counts. Students also learned about the role of fire for healthy ecosystems, the water cycle, and the carbon cycle. All in all, it was a great trip and a fantastic way to kick off another fabulous year of experimental learning. The 8th grade would especially like to thank Janice Kerber and the Florida Wildlife Commission at the Everglades Youth Conservation Camp in helping to make this experience happen. In addition to the Everglades last week, over 100 PBMA 7th graders got the experience the Lochahatchee River Center in Jupiter. At the River Center, students were split into 2 groups. One group performed a squid dissection, with River Center educators, while the other group toured the aquarium, learning about the various habitats, from oyster reefs to seagrass habitats, that make up the Lochahatchee River watershed. The groups then flip-flopped activities and later had lunch under the River Center's tiki hut. Thanks, River Center. Well, that does it for the field trips for now. This is Allie Harrison reporting and signing off by saying have a squid-tacular day. And now over to Catherine for some little news on some upcoming events.
On November 8th at the Mote Marine Lab in Sarasota, Florida, the Youth Ocean Conservation Summit will take place. The Youth Ocean Conservation Summit was created to provide youth participants of all ages, upper elementary through college, the opportunity to learn from marine scientists and conservationists about the current threats facing marine ecosystems. This year, a small group of Palm Beach Maritime Academy students from the Environmental Club, including Kaden Buscemi, will be presenting at the summit led by Mr. Allen. Let's wish them luck. In addition to the summit, the Youth Ocean Conservation Summit will be hosting a community and student film festival on the evening of November 8th. Students of all ages from preschool to college were invited to submit short films that helped raise awareness of issues on marine conservation. A number of students from Palm Beach Maritime Academy submitted short films and were chosen and recognized as honorable mentions for this year's film festival. In 3rd grade, Julia Allen submitted a film on her visit to Gumbo Limbo concerning turtle rehabilitation. The film is entitled Julia's Visit to Gumbo Limbo. In 8th grade, the video How Oil Spills Affect the Marine Life by me, Catherine Abreu, was selected for honorable mention, as well as the short film Bycatch created by my colleagues Angelina Soika, Allie Harrison, and Natalie Casada. Congratulations, students, for this wonderful work and beautiful videos. The videos will be mentioned on Saturday, November 8th at the Mote Marine Laboratory in Sarasota, Florida. If you want to make a video but missed the deadline, there will be an upcoming competition called Beneath the Waves Youth Making Ripples Film Competition. Short, ocean-themed videos must be submitted by December 5th. It is open to all students, kindergarten through 12th. Last year, PMA sent the only filmmakers from Palm Beach County. This year, we are hoping to do even better. What can you win? Well, the winners for the best scientific message wins $200, and the viewer choice winners wins $150. If you want more information, talk to Mr. Allen or go to www.beneaththewavesfilmfest.org. And now, here's Natalie Quesada from the National Junior Honor Society, as well as news from Lantana 1.
Hi, my name is Natalie. We would like to congratulate the following students in the National Junior Honor Society for the following winning positions in last week's election for the officers in 2014 to 2015. 8th graders Natalie Quesada as president, Sarah Butcher as vice president, Megan McClone as secretary, and Allison Barker as treasurer. Congrats. I would like to announce, as president of the National Junior Honor Society, we will be starting a canned food drive for the holidays. We hope to get at least 350 cans for the needy. The class that brings the most canned food will have a grand prize. At Lantana 1 on Monday, October 27th and Tuesday, October 28th, the kindergartners and first graders were visited by the Palm Beach County Fire Department. They taught us all about fire safety. They showed the children the fire trucks and paramedic trucks. The children also learned what a firefighter looks like in all their gear so that they will not be afraid of them and hide if there is a fire in their own house. Here are pictures of the firefighters at Lantana 1. Now, here are photos and videos of the Halloween parade at Lantana 1. On behalf of everyone at the PBMA, have a great day.